Hi everyone, welcome back to Body Make and Health Management. Today, we're diving into a topic that's crucial for anyone looking to level up their health and fitness game: snacks. That's right, we're talking about the best snacks for both weight loss and muscle gain. Whether you're trying to shed a few kilos or pack on some lean muscle, the right snacks can be absolute game changers. We'll break down the science behind why these snacks work, share some of my personal favorite options, and give you practical tips on how to make them a part of your daily routine. Let's get after it. Today's video is all about the best snacks for weight loss and muscle gain. You heard that right. We're tackling two goals that might seem at odds with each other, but trust me, the right snacks can help you achieve both. Whether you're looking to shed a few pounds or build lean muscle, the right snack choices can be a game changer. We're going to explore the science behind why these snacks work, share several tasty options with practical examples, and offer tips on how to incorporate them into your daily routine. So let's dive in. Chapter 1: The Science Behind Snacks. Before we get into the specific snack ideas, let's talk about why snacks are so important for both weight loss and muscle gain. When you're aiming to lose weight, creating a calorie deficit is key, but you also need to fuel your body with nutrients that help build and repair muscle. That's where smart snacking comes in. A good snack should be like a well-balanced team, high in protein to support muscle recovery, contain healthy fats for long-lasting energy, and include fiber to keep you feeling full longer. Think of it this way. Protein is like the construction crew rebuilding those muscle fibers after a tough workout. Fiber is like the traffic controller, keeping your blood sugar levels steady and preventing those energy crashes that lead to overeating. In short, the right snack choices can bridge the gap between meals, keeping your metabolism active and your energy levels steady. Chapter 2: Nuts and Seeds. Let's kick things off with one of my all-time favorite snack options: nuts and seeds. These little powerhouses are like the superheroes of the snack world, packed with protein, healthy fats, and fiber. For instance, a small handful of almonds or walnuts can provide a quick protein boost and a steady source of energy that won't have you reaching for sugary snacks an hour later. Pumpkin seeds are another great option, rich in magnesium and iron, which are essential for muscle function and keeping your energy levels up. But remember, even superheroes have their limits. Because nuts and seeds are calorie-dense, portion control is key. Enjoy them as a mid-afternoon snack, or as a post-workout nibble, and you'll be fueling your body the right way. Chapter 3: Greek Yogurt with Berries. Next up, we have Greek yogurt with berries. Greek yogurt is an excellent source of high-quality protein and probiotics, which are like the good bacteria that keep your gut healthy and happy. When paired with berries such as blueberries, strawberries, or raspberries, you get a delicious combination that's low in calories but high in antioxidants and fiber. Imagine starting your day or winding down after a workout with 1 cup of plain Greek yogurt, mixed with a handful of fresh berries. This snack not only satisfies your sweet cravings but also helps repair muscle tissues and keep hunger at bay. Chapter 4: Veggies with Hummus. Now let's move on to a savory and refreshing option: veggies with hummus. Raw vegetables like carrots, cucumbers, bell peppers, and celery are naturally low in calories and packed with fiber, making them the perfect snack for weight management. When you pair them with hummus, a dip made from chickpeas, tahini, and olive oil, you get an extra boost of protein and healthy fats. For example, picture a crunchy plate of carrot sticks and cucumber slices dipped in 2 tablespoons of hummus. This snack is perfect if you're looking for something that's both filling and nutritious, helping you stay on track with your weight loss and muscle-building goals. Chapter 5: Protein Shakes and Smoothies. Another great option, especially when you're on the go, is protein shakes and smoothies. These drinks are incredibly versatile and can be customized to match your nutritional needs, whether you're after a pre-workout energy boost or a post-workout recovery shake. For a balanced option, try blending 1 scoop of your favorite protein powder with a banana, a handful of spinach, and a cup of almond milk. This smoothie offers a mix of protein, healthy carbohydrates, and vitamins, making it a perfect post-workout refreshment or even a quick meal replacement. The beauty of these drinks is that you can experiment by adding ingredients like peanut butter, oats, or even frozen berries to suit your taste and nutritional goals. Chapter 6: Cottage Cheese with Fruit. Let's talk about another protein-packed snack, cottage cheese with fruit. Cottage cheese is rich in casein protein, which digests slowly and can help keep you satisfied for hours. This is especially helpful when you're trying to manage your weight because it prevents those blood sugar spikes and crashes that can lead to cravings. When you add fruits like pineapple, berries, or a sliced apple, you not only enhance the flavor but also increase your intake of vitamins and fiber. For example, mixing half a cup of cottage cheese with some diced pineapple creates a snack that's both refreshing and filling, making it an excellent choice whether you need a mid-morning pick-me-up or something light before bedtime. Chapter 7: Rice Cakes with Avocado and Turkey. Here's one more creative snack idea that balances protein, healthy fats, and carbs: rice cakes topped with avocado and turkey. Rice cakes offer a light, crunchy base, while mashed avocado provides a dose of heart-healthy, monounsaturated fats. Adding a few slices of lean turkey brings in the protein you need for muscle repair. For instance, spread a thin layer of mashed avocado on a rice cake and top it off with a couple of slices of turkey. This snack is not only satisfying but also versatile, ideal as a quick breakfast, a pre-workout energizer, or even an evening snack. Let's quickly recap what we've covered today. We explored nuts and seeds, a portable, nutrient-dense snack that offers protein and healthy fats. Greek yogurt with berries, a sweet, protein-rich option perfect for muscle recovery. Veggies with hummus, a fiber-packed, savory snack that keeps you full. Protein shakes and smoothies, versatile drinks that can be customized for your nutritional needs. Cottage cheese with fruit, a slow-digesting protein snack that helps maintain fullness. Rice cakes with avocado and turkey, a balanced blend of protein, fats, and carbs for any time of day. Each of these options not only helps you manage your calorie intake but also supports muscle repair and growth, key factors in both weight loss and muscle gain. Thank you so much for watching today's video on the best snacks for weight loss and muscle gain. I hope these ideas inspire you to make smarter snacking choices that fuel your fitness journey. Remember, it's not about depriving yourself, it's about finding healthy and delicious options that support your goals. If you try any of these snacks or have your own favorites, please share your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. And before you go, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more health, fitness, and nutrition tips. Your support means the world and helps the channel grow. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who might benefit, and don't forget to subscribe to Body Make and Health Management for more insights and tips to help you succeed. Remember, the right snacks can make all the difference in your fitness journey. Keep pushing, keep striving, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers!